Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Unbox. Today we have an exciting unboxing. The brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Samsung's Fan Edition lineup is known for bringing flagship level features at a more affordable price. So let's dive in and see if this one lives up to the hype. Opening the box, we get the usual sleek Samsung packaging. Inside, we have the Galaxy S24 FE itself, looking premium with its Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front, Gorilla Glass 5 back, and an aluminum frame with solid, weighing 213 grams, comes with an IP68 rating, got meaning towards AIDS, dust, and water resistant, or it's up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Unfortunately, like most modern smartphones, there is no charger in the box, just a USB-C cable and SIM ejector tool. Design and display. Taking a closer look, the 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is stunning. You get a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, on the same peak brightness of 1900 nits, making it perfect for outdoor visibility. The full HD Plus resolution 1080 by 2340 Hz ensures sharp and vibrant visuals. On the right side, we have the power button and volume rocker. The bottom houses the USB-C port and stereo speakers. The fingerprint sensor is under the display, and yes, it's fast and reliable. Performance and software under the hood, the Exynos 2400E 4nm processor powers this device. It's a 10-core chipset paired with 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB. This means smooth multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. It runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, bringing cool features like Circle to Search, Samsung Dex OS for a desktop-like experience, and advanced AI optimizations. Camera performance now. Let's talk about the cameras. Samsung has packed a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The results: crisp, detailed shots with excellent dynamic range. For selfies, you get a 10-megapixel front camera which supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. The rear camera even shoots 8K at 30 frames per second with super slow motion up to 960 frames per second at 720p. Battery and connectivity. Powering the device with a 4700 mAh battery with 25 watts, wired fast charging, 50% it's entire 30 minutes. It also supports 15-watt wireless charging on reverse wireless charging. Connectivity wise, it's future-proof with 5G, eSIM, dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 on NFC for Samsung Pay. So, कुछ you by the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Here it wants a premium build, a stunning display, solid performance, or flagship level cameras. It's a great choice. This range, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpfully, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Unbox for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.